I'm Andrew Kroll, the off-campus coordinator for Lethbridge School Division. And last Wednesday night was our third year of doing Trades for You for grades 9 to 12 students. We had over 300 students participate. 30 plus businesses across southern Alberta joined in, opened their doors at night, sent in their employees to have students do real life trade experiences, whether it be cutting metal with a CNC machine, using a commercial oven in a bakery, doing some wiring, as Evan mentioned, framing a wall, doing a wheel alignment, all real-life experiences that a trades tour or an event like in an information booth simply cannot afford to students. What was neat to see also was a number of new immigrant students join in for the night, and a number of parents either watched or participated as well, because career planning is certainly what we like to call a together process. So once again, thank you to all the businesses, and we hope to do something similar in May. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Evan Barr with neu-lite Electric, and just to explain who neu-lite Electric is, we're an electrical contractor here in Lethbridge. Then we have multiple divisions. We have a solar division, industrial, residential, commercial. And so the other night we had the Trades for You come. We had 15 students, I believe, that showed up. And we had students from grade 9 to even some grade 12s that were showing up. So it was great to have a good turnout. And when they showed up, we split them into groups of 5. And we just gave them a little tour of the shop and then had them try a few things out we took them to up here in actually our boardroom, and we showed them a video on solar, lots of parts and pieces where they could look and feel and touch and know a little more about solar with our solar division. And then we moved them around. We had commercial, showing them some conduit bending, which was actually quite fun to watch them try and bend some metal conduit, and explain and teach them on some of those things and hands-on. And then one other, the final one, we had a residential, just some walls built with some plugins, switches and lights, and where they got to wire them. And once they were done, we plugged it in and to see if it would pop the breaker or if the light would turn on. So no, it was fun. The kids seemed to have a great night, and they were very interested in some of them. We also asked them to tell us, why did you come here? Was it your parents signed you up and made you come, or you were actually interested? And you know, there were quite a few kids that signed up because they were interested and wanted to see what the trades were about, and some aren't sure what they want to do yet, but this was one that seemed interesting to them. So I think it was a great turnout, and the main purpose, or what we hope to get and why we feel it's important to be involved in this, is that the kids get to know a little more about other things once they finish school, and opportunities in the trades for them that they may not know or get to learn in school, right? So we're happy to host that and feel it's very important to support them and give these opportunities with labor shortages that we see now. We feel it's important to be a part of this, and we're happy to host that and look forward to doing it again.
Hello, I'm Jamie Bootsma from Bootsma Bakery here in Lethbridge, Alberta. Last night we got to participate in a trades discovery night for some teenagers through the school district. And so we had many students come out from like Emmanuel Christian School, from Chinook, LCI, and Churchill. Yes, and so it was really great to see everybody excited and passionate about baking. We hope that they left with some insights. We sent them home with some sourdough, so hopefully that'll, sourdough starter to hopefully spark their innovation with that and their creativity making sourdough bread at home. We also taught them laminating, so how to make croissants, and some fun like decorating cookies And they also got to learn a little bit of patience as they were waiting for things to bake in the oven. So I hope it was a really great night for the students, and that they just walked away with a sense of a little bit of what the trade is like, baking and that creativity and science that goes into it. And then we also had a great opportunity to talk about the RAP program offered throughout high school to earn some credits and work towards their apprenticeship. And hopefully we get some people in the trades. They said that it was a lot of fun. They really enjoyed it, and it was a lot different than what they had expected it to be. They got to use a reversible sheeter, which is like a mega rolling pin that goes back and forth. And so that was something new. They were happy that they didn't have to roll it out by hand. But yeah, so just some of the innovation and the technology that's available in the bakery. So for us, we actually get to, it is so rewarding to see somebody grow in their field, and just to like learn and develop the skill. Like that is super rewarding to us, and something that we're passionate about. And then also just seeing the industry grow, and to see people's passion spark, and it's really, really great.